When I cook chicken with pasta like this, everyone asks me for the recipe. To start, we're going to slice 2 chicken breasts into strips and then into cubes just like this. If you follow this step properly, there's no mistake. The recipe will turn out perfect. Right after that, I'm going to add a drizzle of olive oil to the skillet, spreading it across the bottom. Next, we'll add the chicken cubes to fry. I'll stir for a few minutes until they get lightly golden. Now, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of oregano, and we'll keep sautéing. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching me from so I can send you a special shout-out. Today's shout-out goes to Daniel Harris from Boulder, Colorado. I'm really happy that you're enjoying our recipes. Next, in a pot, I'm going to pour hot water until it fills halfway. Then, we're going to add 250 grams of pasta, and we'll let it boil for a few minutes. Trust me, the result is amazing. At this point, we're going to remove the chicken from the pan and place it into a bowl. Tell me what you're thinking of the recipe so far. I'd love to know. In the same pot, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, and we'll stir until it melts. Next, I'll add 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 200 grams of champignon mushroom, and we'll start sautéing. I love recipes like this. Simple, but with a different touch. Right after that, I'm going to stir the pasta with a fork, and once it's cooked, we'll remove it from the heat. Now, into the sautéed mixture, I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. Then we'll also add half a cup of milk. I'll mix everything to combine. We'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. It's turning out exactly how I wanted. Next, I'm going to add the cooked and drained pasta. I'll mix well until everything is incorporated. Then, we'll add the fried chicken we set aside earlier. We'll stir a little more until the mixture becomes smooth and uniform. You're going to be surprised by the result of this recipe. The flavor turns out incredible. Right after that, I'm going to add grated Parmesan to taste, spreading it on top. Now, we're going to take portions of this delicious meal with chicken and pasta, and I'll place them on a plate. I love recipes like this because they deliver exactly what they promise. They don't require complicated steps. They don't need difficult ingredients, and even so, they stand out for the final result. The smell and flavor are amazing. I've made it several times, and all my friends and my family love it. Make it at home too, and tell me what you think.